Okay, here I am. I'm back. Come on, there you go. Grab onto your high chair and come on. Come on this way. Look at my balance. I almost want to run, guys. I can almost run. Yay! All the way across the room. I've got it now. I've got it. Yay! Yay! Yeah. I know. Oh, what was that? Hunter Bear. Yeah. Come here. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, Big Bowie. Hunter Lane. All right, let's tell Mimi and Grampy night-night. It's time for you to get ready for bed. Hunter. Time to get ready for bed. Did you find food on the floor? Let's not eat that. Tell Mimi and Grampy night-night. Night-night. No, that's nasty. We gotta pick it up.